we're driving through the city.
New York!
That's what you want to see?
That's a closet. Get that on camera.
Okay.
There's a wheel too. Did you get on camera? Oh man, there go seatbelts. Look at the mirror parade. We're finally here at the Aquarium.
What he said?
Go to the World of Coke at the stoplight, make a right.
It's an elephant. See what it is? The octopus. Him and his shirt.
Oh, I missed it all.
Nemo! It's not Nemo, it's Clownfish. Now, love. What are you looking at?
I knew. I just said dabble.
Y'all see the shark? Look at the shark.
It's a wheel.
I don't know when they replace the wheel.
Grayson, come here. Look. They're feeding them. Hey, why are they doing?
I see it.
They go stand beside host.
Y'all gotta learn to stay with the people. Yes, I am.
Y'all over here.
The boy almost fell on the dog. I seen it at Best. The other ones you was talking about at Best Buy, they like $2.99.
Come on, Grayson, come on here. Where's Kenzie? Guys, I'm back home. We made it. Thank you, Jesus. I don't know why I said today, but today was such an amazing experience for me and my children. I did take off of work to be able to do like something with them during the summer, because I know like staying at home and going to daycare is so boring during the summer. Like I want them to be like having adventures and whatnot. But the aquarium was a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I recommend about the aquarium is to make sure you know where the exhibits are and what exhibit. I can't think, I just had a whole brain fog. Like to know what exhibit you're going to go in instead of just like, oh, let's go to this one, let's go to that one, because it was like a little bit overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie, my mind is like always on, so it was not helping for me. I went with my daycare, my kids daycare group, so that was a lot for me. I was chaperoning and I wasn't able to vlog as much as I wanted to. That's why it's gonna look like it's all over the place, because I was like, sit down, stop running, come here the whole time. So I'm gonna have to like mute some of the I'm gonna have to mute some of the videos that I had recorded, probably most of them if I go back and listen to them. I really wanted to watch the dolphin show, but the parking that we had, if we would have stayed for the show, we would have went over on the time, so we had to leave, unfortunately. But we can always go back, God willing. We went to the Cheesecake Factory, took the kiddos there. We should have took them to McDonald's because the bill ended up being $108. Yeah, so that was like for me, but I really didn't care because I would do anything for my kids so they can have a great experience. If I'm able to, why not? Not gonna lie, I did get a little drinky drink. I did, because I needed it. I was a little stressed out. Also, after the Cheesecake Factory, I got my kids a little nice cheesecake. an Oreo cheesecake. It's really chocolatey. I'm not a chocolatey person, but my kids are, so I got them that. And we ended up going back home, and now I'm here. So the day went pretty smoothly. I'm not gonna complain. It could have been worse. It was a little rain here and there. I don't know if I did a OOTD for today, but I'm gonna post some things that I took off my personal phone, so that way y'all can see what I wore and what my kids wore. Also, at the aquarium, there are really mean people, you guys, like really bad. So I was in the part where there's like the big aquarium where you can see all the fish, and there's like bleachers behind you. So I wasn't trying to step in people's way, you know, but everybody was sitting down, so it was kind of hard not to. But this one older man was sitting on the bleachers, and I saw him recording like this on his phone, and I said, "Ooh, let me get down, I don't want to be in his, you know, video or whatever." And he was like, "Yeah, because y'all are in the way." Jeez. I'm like, this is how we're gonna act today. But I had to remind myself I'm a child. But yeah, other than that, a beautiful experience. People are gonna be people regardless, you guys, so go wherever you want to go. Just make sure you get a drinky drink afterwards. But this is gonna end my vlog. Oh, also, I kind of want to show y'all what I got from IPSY. So I do IPSY monthly. I pay monthly, I think like $35 for it, and I got my package today. I already opened it, but I had got hydrating facial gel cream. We need that. My skin breaks out so bad during the luteal phase, so definitely need. And then I also got some face masks, super cutesy. I have like a whole drawer full of IPSY stuff. Like, I would show you a stack of IPSY boxes that I have. I'm obsessed. Okay, I need to stop. And I don't even use half of the stuff because it's so much. It keeps coming, so it's like you can't use every product they send you. But I also got Stay Vulnerable Rare Beauty. This breakthrough formula delivers a weightless wash of soft. I think this is like my foundation kind of cream thing, light foundation apply. Okay. And then I got tinted lip treatment. Some of this stuff I didn't get to choose, they chose for me, so. And last but not least, Toy Factory Nia Lip. This is a lip liner duo, you guys. Definitely love a good lip liner. But anyways, if you guys want to see more of my vlogs, or if you want to see like unboxings that I do or that I receive, let me know in the comments below. And this is the life of Shakira, so all over the place. I'm a type B mom, so I do whatever looks good at the moment, and then I try to fix it later on. But y'all have a blessed night. Stay safe, stay stress free, live your life to the fullest, no matter what they say. Okay, bye.
Shot.